Remember the days when presenting meant relying solely on slide decks and a whole lot of hope? Technology is changing how we communicate, especially in the realm of presentations. Voice assistants, our digital companions, are no longer limited to setting alarms or playing music. They are stepping onto the stage, transforming how we present and engage with audiences. The way we share ideas is evolving. Voice assistants offer a new channel for connection, making presentations more interactive and dynamic. Imagine this. You're about to deliver a crucial presentation, and instead of fumbling with slides, you have a voice assistant seamlessly transitioning between them, even controlling multimedia elements with just a voice command. This is the power of voice assistants in presentations. They free you to focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience. This shift towards voice-assisted presentations is not just a fad, it's a response to our increasingly tech-integrated lives. We are moving towards a world where technology seamlessly integrates with our daily activities, and presentations are no exception. The convenience and efficiency voice assistants bring are undeniable. They are not here to replace the human element, but to enhance it, creating a more engaging and impactful presentation experience. Voice assistants are like having a presentation partner, always ready to assist. They can manage slides, play videos, and even control lighting and sound, all while you focus on delivering your message. This allows for a smoother, more polished presentation, free from the distractions of technical hiccups. Imagine being able to effortlessly switch between slides with a simple voice command, keeping your presentation flowing seamlessly. No more awkward pauses to find the right button or adjust the projector. Voice assistants take care of the technical aspects, allowing you to maintain eye contact and connect with your audience on a deeper level. But the benefits go beyond just logistics. Voice assistants can enhance audience engagement by providing real-time information and answering questions. This interactivity creates a more dynamic and memorable experience for everyone involved. For instance, imagine an audience member asking a question about a specific statistic. With a voice command, you can have your assistant pull up the relevant data on screen, providing an immediate and impressive response. Accessibility is another key benefit of integrating voice assistants into presentations. For individuals with disabilities, traditional presentations can present significant challenges. Voice control can level the playing field, allowing everyone to participate fully. Imagine a world where individuals with mobility impairments can control slides and multimedia content with just their voice, eliminating the need for complex physical interactions. Voice assistants empower everyone to share their ideas and insights, fostering a more inclusive and equitable presentation environment. Furthermore, voice assistants can bridge language barriers by providing real-time translation. This opens up presentations to a global audience, fostering greater understanding and collaboration across cultures. The ability to transcend language barriers through technology is a game changer, creating a more connected and inclusive world. However, like any technological advancement, voice assistants in presentations are not without their challenges. One concern is the potential for technical glitches. A sudden internet outage or a microphone malfunction can disrupt the flow of a presentation, causing unwanted stress and delays. Another challenge is the learning curve associated with integrating voice assistants into presentations. Speakers need to familiarize themselves with the technology and practice using voice commands effectively. This requires an investment of time and effort, especially for those who are not as tech-savvy. Moreover, over-reliance on voice assistants can lead to a decrease in human connection during presentations. Speakers might find themselves interacting more with the technology than with their audience, resulting in a less engaging and impactful presentation. It's crucial to strike a balance, using voice assistants as a tool to enhance, not replace, human interaction. Despite the potential drawbacks, the benefits of incorporating voice assistants into presentations are too significant to ignore. The key lies in understanding and mitigating the challenges while maximizing the advantages. Firstly, ensuring a stable internet connection and having backup plans for technical glitches are crucial for a smooth presentation experience. Secondly, investing time in learning and practicing with voice assistants is essential. Familiarizing yourself with the capabilities and limitations of the technology will allow you to use it effectively and confidently during your presentation. Start by incorporating simple voice commands for basic tasks like advancing slides or playing videos, gradually integrating more complex functions as you become more comfortable. Finally, remember that voice assistants are tools meant to enhance, not replace, your presentation skills. Maintaining eye contact, using natural body language, and engaging with your audience directly remain crucial for a successful presentation. Use voice assistants strategically to augment your delivery, not overshadow it. The integration of voice assistants into presentations is still in its early stages, but its potential is undeniable. As technology advances further, we can expect even more sophisticated features and capabilities, leading to more engaging, accessible, and impactful presentations. Imagine a future where voice assistants can analyze audience sentiment in real time, providing speakers with valuable feedback and insights to tailor their delivery. The future of presentations is about harnessing the power of technology to enhance human connection, not replace it. Voice assistants, used thoughtfully and effectively, have the potential to revolutionize how we share ideas, inspire action, and connect with audiences on a deeper level. So the next time you prepare for a presentation, consider embracing the power of voice assistants. You might be surprised at how this technology can transform your presentation from ordinary to extraordinary.